Hey guys, welcome to my discussion on visual analytics using Tableau. Today I'm going to talk about Tableau and the importance of Tableau in business intelligence. So what is Tableau? Tableau is a BI tool. So what is BI? BI stands for business intelligence. Why are you using the word intelligence with business? Because nowadays business units are all capturing data of different size and shapes. The data may be a structured or unstructured data. So we are using some tools and technologies to convert that data into meaningful informations. So those tools are known as BI tools. So these tools are intelligent enough to convert the raw data into meaningful informations. That's why they are known as BI tools. So BI is a process of converting the raw data into meaningful information. And in this case, we are using Tableau as a BI tool for converting the raw data into a meaningful informations. BI is very important in terms of making strategic decisions which actually impacts the revenue of a company. So why visual analytics is getting more and more popular day by day? Because it's a human phenomena that our mind can process visuals faster than text. In this particular slide, we can see the raw data is in the form of certain text which contains certain rows and columns. Now, if you are asked to convert this data into our mind, then we will take a lot of time to get decisions from this data. But when this data is converted into a beautiful visualization, like the area map, bar chart, or the geo maps, we can easily make decisions from this kind of visuals because our mind is can process this visual faster than this particular raw data. And when we talk about visual analytics, Tableau is the market leader. Why Tableau is a market leader? Because Tableau is easy, powerful, and very fast. You don't need any technical skills or any coding background in order to learn Tableau. As per the Gartner's latest chart, we can see Tableau always holding a leadership position in this particular chart. As per the recent survey, 56% of the business decision in next 5 years will be taken by these business tools, these BI tools. I mean to say, these BI tools are so smart enough that they can process large set of data into meaningful information. So guys, this was all about Tableau. In my next session, I will discuss about Tableau installation, Tableau architecture, the products that Tableau offers, and the process flow of a BI project. Thank you for watching this video.